Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to mask this, make it look like there's a hole, and the text going out like you see on the screen right now. Just stay still and stretch out to about 10 seconds, and you'll be able to stretch it as long as you like afterwards. It'll just take longer to get from point A to point B. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms, that's why it's up there. Hold the Alt key down, we'll make a copy of this. Turn track 2 off, and go to Fusion. With the median selected, get an ellipse, and select invert. I already know my size. Obviously, it'll be totally different than whatever you're doing, but I'm just going to set mine to that for the sake of the tutorial. I'm going to angle it to about the pitch of the mountain, about 31. We'll set it right there. Right click on the ellipse, copy, go back to the edit page, turn track 2 back on, and back to Fusion. Click away right above the median and paste the ellipse. Get a background. And connect them like that. And select the background. Turn the alpha all the way down. And with it selected, get a merge and a text. Put the text you're liking in. Then go to layout. Then go to type. Path. Zoom out a bit. Something like that. Then select the modify only tool. Highlight your points. And select smooth. And get a rectangle. Plug it into the ellipse. Select the ellipse. And deselect invert. Back to the rectangle. Take the height all the way up. I already know the width of the ellipse is 0.1. So I'll just set mine to that. I'll set the angle to the same, 31. I don't have a metal mouse wheel to zoom in and out like you guys do. I have a handicap controller. So that's why I use this drop down menu in case you guys are wondering. And just line it up to both sides. And go back to the ellipse. On paint mode, select subtract. Zoom back out. And go back to the text node. Right click on position on path. Modify width. Anim curves. You can see my polyline is not in the middle. I'm just going to move it over. I forgot to delete these keyframes. You should do that. Something like that. And if you want to make it faster, just shorten it up. Or longer, just make it longer. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.